Alright, assalamu alaikum. This is Mutawakar from ABT and Co. Again, today here to serve you again. And in previous lecture we learned about types of text and some alignment options, and also about how to create new layer with and without name and properties. So in today, in our next video, we will learn that what we will learn today is how to undo and how to invert selection, how to select anything, and we will learn about selection tools here, as in three types of tool selection here. Three types of selection tool present here in the toolbar in the Photoshop. So let's start our work today. As I told you, it is a practical work from now onwards, and there are many shortcut keys. I will not be going to write it here like I done in previous lectures. Rather, I will just put it in bio. You can check it out there. So starting from our first thing today, while learning toolbar, starting from the toolbar. Here are many different tools present, each and everyone with its own name and with its own, what you can say, function. Okay, so first of all, the very important tool, which is very much important, very much important, it is known as move tool. You can see it is a move tool. Move tool is used, and here move tool, there is written V in brackets. So V is the shortcut key. Whenever you are using any tool like this, I am using this tool, I have selection tool, and whenever I will press V, look, it will move forward, it will come to move tool. And whenever you are doing anything, when you have finished doing your work, what are you doing? Just or when you are finished with the respective tool what you are using, just press V so that you can come back, so that your work is saved, a kind of. So move tool is very much important whenever you are working, and whenever you have finished working with one tool, just press V and then use the next tool. So this is for move tool, and this is artboard tool. What is artboard tool? Let's look. When I have selected this artboard tool, what is the work of artboard tool is that, look, I hope you have guessed what it means. It is basically used to add the space where you want to work, like what you say is artboard. It increases the artboard size. Look, now it increases the artboard size, and you can also join it. Okay, okay, so this is artboard tool. Artboard tool is basically used to increase or decrease the artboard. Here it is not working. The reason is that because we aren't working on any artboard right now. Now look, upper was just a layer of one of the shapes, rectangle like thing. So, and now look, the artboard has increased here. Look, you can see as we created more at the upper layer, it is artboard has increased. So anyways, and moving back where we were, and once you have also noticed that I presses something and you are back to where we have left. So for that purpose we use Ctrl and Z. Okay, Ctrl+Z is used, and so Control plus Z is used to undo for one time, and if you want it more than once, then you will print Control Shift Z, Control Alt Z for multiple times. Okay, or Control Z has some limited numbers, and when that limited number has come, then Control Alt Z will work. So Control Z is used to undo for some time, for a limited number of time. It is defined in the Adobe Photoshop Essentials. And Control Alt Z is used when there is no when Control Z has reached the limit. Okay, and so this is an artboard tool. This is used to create, move, or resize your canvas. Basically this is all your canvas, right? So to resize this canvas, you use artboard tool. Next comes the selection tool. This is the selection tool. Okay, this is rectangular selection tool. For example, if I have to select this portion, I will just press this. Okay, it has selected, and now I have pressed delete. It is deleted. And if you have selected this portion and you want the rest of the portion, right, like this portion, you want to select all this portion, then you have to press three shortcut keys: Control Shift I. Okay, you have to press Control Shift I. Look, selection is inversed now. So Control Shift I is used to inverse the selection. Okay, so let's move back with Control Z again, and we are back. Okay, so Control and what is said is Control Shift I is used to inverse the selection, or to select the other part what you have, basically to inverse the selection. So Control Shift I is used to inverse the selection. And then comes here's the lasso tool. What does lasso tool do? Like Control plus to zoom in, and look, it is also selection tool. It is basically like drawing like this. I am moving and moving, and this is moving, and this yeah, I am back again. Okay, so I press delete and it is deleted. Okay, anyways, Control 0 to back, and Control 0 to flip to screen, and Control Z to move back where you are. So a lasso tool is used where like this, like editing your hair, like when you are editing hair, because you have no choice here and you want all your fun here, then you will use this one and this and so on. Okay, so lasso tool is used here, and two more tools are there. One is quick selection tool. Look, quick selection tool. What does quick selection look? I am just moving here and there, and it has selected what I want. Look, it is so much important tool. It is used so much. I also use right now when I am working on projects. I still use this one, and it is so important tool. What you have to do is just click on the tool and then just drag what you want. Let me move back so that you can understand it very well. I have look, I have clicked, nothing happens. Clicked. Okay, it will matches the color and will reach where you want. Look, yeah, it is so much fast tool. But it is fast here because the thing which we want to select, it has almost equal colors, balanced colors. When there are not balanced colors, different colors, then it is very difficult, and then you have to use many different tools. Okay, Control G for turn back again, and magic wand tool. The next one is magic wand tool. Okay, what does magic wand tool do? Let me explain you. It basically magic wand tool works on colors, and it will, what will it do, that it will, once I have just clicked, and it has, and as you can see, it has selected the same type of color. This one, this one, this one, this one. This is almost same color. So it basically works on color. And if you want to add something, then press shift, then shift again, shift again, shift again, shift again, shift again, shift again. So but as it works on color, so when there is almost similar color, then you can see then it will work great. And if there are different colors, then it will be so bad, and you will say that this tool is the worst you are using. Look like this, there are different colors, and it is not working like what you want to work here. So we have studied 5 things right now, 6 things right now. Move tool, V, artboard tool. Here comes the rectangular marquee tool. Rectangular marquee tool is used to select rectangular shape. Lasso tool is used to select by dragging. And magic wand tool works on color by clicking, and shift is used to add the selection, and while using that tool, and also when you're using quick selection tool, shift is used for adding colors and adding the selection and so on. Okay, so this is all from me today, and inshallah next time we will work on more things. Now I hope you can remove the background right now. By using the selection tool, you have learned how to delete the background, and once you have selected, you just have to press delete button, and then it is gone forever. Okay, and but not forever, as you can press CTRL+Z to make it back again. So anyways, this is all from me today, and meet you inshallah in next video. Take care of yourself and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like it, then like, comment, share, subscribe. Each and everything is must. And till then, Allah Hafiz.